This is the project that never ends. Yes, it goes on and on, my friends.
Some people started working on it and it never stopped. I don't remember the words.
So the project's still going on. It's now like almost summertime, and we had started this last fall. And I mean, we've made huge progress. A lot of the body work is completely done. This is where we're at today. Let's go see what the boys are up to.
It takes 20% to do 80% of the work, and that last 20% takes 80% of the time.
Wait. What are you telling me?
There's lots left.
Are we on the 20?
No, heck no. We're still on the 80%.
We're still on 5.
We don't even have rear fenders yet.
It's never gonna get done. What are you boys working on? The boysy boys.
Well, we got this mocked up in the back here, so now we're mocking up the rear fenders too.
Custom fabrication at its finest, folks.
When you can't find the fenders you want,
You gotta make them.
you make them.
You coloring?
Color.
Coloring?
Paint match.
Paint match?
Garage fabrication 102.
Yep. Cheers. There's just a little work going on in the garage behind me, but the sun is out. Show me what you're doing here.
Yeah, I didn't like how we had this finished, so. Because this part still had a little.
Bloop.
This part was still exposed, so it didn't look finished. So because we have the pipe bender out, we got some 3/4 inch
Yep.
round pipe.
Mm-hmm.
Round pipe instead of the square pipe.
Set up square pipe, yeah.
So it's gonna stick out and then follow this line here. I think.
I never like that laugh. I don't know what you're laughing about, but I never like that laugh.
He said leave it open so we could use it as a toe point.
That's not gonna work. Daryl,
Sure it would.
that's not gonna work.
If it was rolled over on its side, it would.
It would work, just wouldn't work that well.
Yeah, it would pop. Cool. Can you show how strong it is again? Do it. Strong enough to move the Jeep.
Kind of hot though.
Is it hot? Of course it's hot. You just finished welding it. Very cool.
Front facing and front.
You're putting something in here, eh?
You're gonna skin it with.
Okay.
No, it's a toe point.
It's a toe point. It's a handle, so you can get up on the roof.
Right?
I actually kind of like that idea.
I'm actually not against it either.
Just leaving it open, or put a little piece of expanded metal over it.
Metal over it.
I don't know. Why are you making a double B pillar?
One to make it a little bit, to make me feel a little bit safer. Make Christine feel a little bit safer. But the biggest thing is to take the weight of that 37-inch spare tire off the main roll cage.
Yeah. Did you make these brackets?
It's just big angle iron.
Now this is so that you can put the truck top on however that's gonna look.
Well, originally it was, but now, no.
That's the
Right?
back window, yeah.
It'll be the back window. So we're going to bring the truck up here. We're still going to cut it. We're going to cut it long. Maybe cut it back to, like I know that window is in here somewhere. The back window.
Yeah.
So we're going to cut it a bit long. It might just come up to here. And then we're going to cut it as long as we possibly can in the back here. Probably to the back of this roll bar.
You, ever gonna wash it?
No. So the roll bar used to just go into these two holes here.
Mm-hmm.
So, because it's the second roll bar, we just use washers here. If for whatever reason becomes a problem, we'll put a plate in there. Up front here, we'll put 2 bolts at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
And Daryl threaded this 1/4 inch plate for the top ones.
Mm-hmm.
It's welded from here to here. There's just this little spot right here about this big that I can't get to. So we'll need to take the roll bar out to weld it.
Oh, okay.
One more small step.
Where is it on the list?
Modify roll bar.
That's interior writing too, so that one came after. So this is 3 full panels now.
Well, we have to shorten these down so it spins, but
That's where you're gonna put your high lift jack.
yeah, I'll put the high lift jack in here.
And just like that, kids, there's a double roll bar. Movie magic.
Brought to you by beer.
Brought to you by beer. Okay, Dwayne. Tell me what you did. Because this looks like what you had before, right?
We drank beer.
You drank beer.
Yeah, and the Jeep Ferries came in and they put a double roll bar in.
You had Jeep Ferries?
Yeah, Jeep Ferries. And we put a double hoop in. Because we're going after that truck look, right?
Yeah.
So doing the old school double roll bar is gonna add to that look. Daryl being a journeyman auto body technician, it's as structurally strong as the original. So we're just doubling up our roll capacity.
We're not gonna roll.
Oh, right.
Yes.
But they're not centered.
That looks stupid.
Yeah.
Yes. If you want it to be aesthetically pleasing.
That would cut all. That would eliminate all the holes.
Cut that hole out first.
What do you think, Terry?
I think I'm right.
It says stop.
You usually are.
I know.
It is
Comes
way
with the
cheaper.
equipment.
What happened?
Well, it's a good thing that Daryl was half a brain going today, because there's a big cam over lock that's gonna go right here to hold the back door closed, because we can't use the internal latch because we're gonna put a tonneau cover on here.
Are you all happy? Something works?
I don't know. About 20 minutes trying to figure out how to put the light.
It could be a beer problem.
No.
This is not going well.
Is that the dull one? So that's the dull one, the red one?
No, that's your bright one. That's dull.
So that's the marker light?
Yeah. What do you mean you need to spend more money? What? Oh yeah. I see, and I thought this is where you were putting these. This is what it did look like. This is what it might look like.
Uniform, right? And then we'll just use, because I have those penny lights already, we'll just put the penny light in the corner
Yeah.
for the marker and signaling.
Mhm.
Oh.
This looks nice. With this Jeep slowly coming along, I'd like to take a look back at some of the laughs we had putting it together. Terry and I were unsupervised on more than one occasion, which led to ultimate shenanigans.
That's fun. Let's go get drunk.
Okay. Scrub-a-dub-dub, Terry. Scrub. No! You made it to the end of the video. Congratulations. Thank you for watching. I want to thank Terry and Daryl for all their help on Turd for the last almost year. It has been a labor of love. It is not finished yet. There will be more videos on Turd, but we're taking a short break. And I promise there's going to be more wheeling and overlanding coming to you hopefully every week. Leave a comment down below if there's anything in particular that you want to see on the channel. Anyways, that's the end of this video. Thank you again for watching. Be sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, the little bell notification, and we're gonna see you on the trail next time. Okay, bye. Apparently Terry doesn't like me taking pictures of her butt.
No, she's mean.